In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in CapCut PC quickly and safely. If CapCut is running slowly, freezing, or taking up too much storage, clearing the cache is one of the easiest ways to help it run better. This is a simple cleanup step that can free up space and remove temporary files without affecting your main project files. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, launch CapCut on your PC. Once it opens, you'll land on the main home dashboard screen. This is the starting point where you can access your projects, templates, and app settings. From here, look to the upper right corner of the window and find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear, and that's the button you need to open the app's configuration options. Click that gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you into CapCut's Settings panel, where you can manage app preferences and storage options. Once the Settings window opens, make sure you're on the default Project or Draft tab. In this area, look for the Cache Size section. This is where CapCut shows how much temporary data has been stored on your computer. Cache files can build up over time, especially if you edit often, preview a lot of clips, or work with larger projects. Next to the listed cache size, you'll see a trash can or delete button. This is the button used to remove those temporary files. Go ahead and click that trash can icon. After that, CapCut will show a confirmation prompt asking if you really want to clear the cache. This is an important step because it makes sure you don't delete anything by accident. Click OK to permanently clear the temporary files. Once you confirm, CapCut will remove the cache data from your PC. Depending on how much cache is accumulated, this may take a few seconds. When it's finished, you should notice that the cache size is reduced or completely cleared. And that's it. You've now cleared the cache in CapCut PC. This can help free up storage and keep the app running a little smoother. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.